Hey YouTube, this is going to be my attempts at solos A and B on Beast and Harlot, Guitar Hero 2 PS2. There we go, FC. Third try today, 100%, Beast and Harlot solo A and B. Now it's time for hardest attempt for me. Let's try. Oh yeah, I got a new camera, flip camcorder, and got with my birthday money. I don't know if you guys like it better with this car. Okay. Wrong solo. Solo D is the hardest one for me to try. D and E hardest ones for me. I'm gonna try to 100% them for didn't even get close to that, but at least I got the first